Nahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
You're a law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
Si President Trump ng 15 points of framework para po sa isang deal na gusto niyang ipunto sa Iran. Hindi naman po ito official pa kasi wala pa po eh. Pero based sa reports na nakuha po natin, isa po dito na gusto ko po malaman ng inyong opinion. Ang sabi niya dito is to end Iranian proxy support sa tatlong terrorist group, namely Hezbollah, Hamas at Houthis. Tingin niyo po ba Iran would abide by this rule? If and if. At saka proof ano din kasi, di ba? May connection din kasi sa religion eh. Kaya makikita natin yung posisyon ng mga GCC countries pagdating sa Iran at saka yung posisyon din kasi nila pagdating sa Israel. May iba na nasa isang side, yung isa naman nasa isang side kasi iba-iba sila ng paniniwala sa religion. Plus, hindi sila ganun ka closely tie sa Iran. Hindi na sila nagkakasundo. I remember that. Yeah.
Pero Israel wala sa mapa.
Yeah. And also, kasi hindi naman po ito kaila. If you're gonna watch Middle Eastern televisions, mga network, they're also talking about the rise of anti-Islamic government ng Iran, which is dito naman po sa Amerika, the narrative was the exiled prince Reza Pahlavi na naandito po sa Amerika na nagsasabi na he was parang he's accepting to be the reform leader for them to change from an Islamic country to a democratic type of country na may election. Hindi po ba even if marami tayong nakikitang pagkakamali ng Amerika at Israel, nakikita rin natin yung side ng Iran na, atake sila doon, may depensa. Tingin niyo po ba sa loob ng Iran, and I don't have much information about this, there is also revolution against the government. IRGC, Pahlavi. Yun yung parang isa din na napag-uusapan dito sa American media. Deliberately, tinatanong siya kung talagang gusto niyang mag-hold ng position sa politics. And lagi naman yung sinasabi talaga that he's not eyeing to a position on anything. Just a transitional part lang. Para at least meron daw parang magli-lead. Pero ang gusto daw niya is magkaroon ng eleksyon. At kung sino may elect, yun yung gusto niya na maging next government. Alam nyo, minsan naiisip ko, Prof, yung parang nangyaring people powers, di ba ganyan din yung parang intention na to actually change a government to a certain entity para mamuno sa bansa. Ang nakakatakot lang po dito, what if ma-exploit yung tao ulit? In a different form of government, ma-exploit sila into a way na ang nagbe-benefit na naman yung mga nakaupo. Tulad po nung sinabi nyo, yung monarchy. Yeah, almost a decade. Diba, I remember this history, documentary history ni Saddam Hussein. Apparently, ay ginamit din ng Amerika before under, not Truman shoot, I forgot his name.
Earlier, yeah.
Ginamit si Saddam Hussein to be a defector and also an anti-Iran doon sa war.
Yeah.
To Iran. And then after a while na parang hindi na nila kinailangan, then they come up with a plot paalisin siya sa kanyang pwesto. At ang masakit noon, even former Secretary of Defense, Donald Rumsfeld, nagsabi na they have not found any nuclear program or missiles.
That was